LED interior dome light upgrade. This is my 1995 Pathfinder. This is my dedicated wind foiling / windsurfing vehicle, and well, a bunch of my dome lights are out. For example, these guys don't even work anymore. This one's out, and this back one works. And there's one more underneath here for my feet. That one still works, but you can see that it's just barely, you know, it's very light just so I can see my feet as I'm getting in. So I was thinking rather than just getting the stock, go for the LED lighting, and I think I got the right stuff here. I have a 28mm bulb, a 31mm bulb, and the BA9S. These are the bulbs that should go up in there. It's January, and with sessions, I sometimes get off the water when it's getting a little darker. By the time I'm de-rigging, everything's dark, so not having light is kind of frustrating. And in the past, I could, you know, click one of these on, and anyway, I'm long overdue for some new lights. Rather than just getting the standard ones, I thought it'd be cool to see what these LED ones look like, how bright they are, and let's get to it. Let's take this off. I think just a little crack in there. There we go, just push on one side, and there's a little tab here. I'm gonna push on that. Oh, there it goes. And this is a Yorkham, it's rated well. I found it on Amazon. There you go. It has all the LEDs and on one side and cooling on the other side, so just face that side down. Okay. There's a little notch right there. Ooh, that's bright. I'll just careful, just touch it there. There. That's facing directly down. There's an on-off piece right here. Ooh, it's so much brighter. Yeah, it's much. Yeah. That's gonna be great at night. Cool, let's do the next one. Let's take off the back. Let's turn this one off first. Kind of grab and twist. And this is the Yorkham 28mm, a little different pattern for the LED 6. Okay, it's facing down and, ooh, that's nice and bright. Ooh, much better. Here's the one by the driver's side feet. Let's see, pull this down. It might be hot. Let's see if I can. And this one pushes straight in, side cup, side attachments. So let's try some pliers. Flathead screwdriver, I think. And you can always turn off your power with all the doors open. I guess you can do this with your doors closed. Take a closer view. My body's where the camera is, so let's see if I can just see it. There we go. Now I can just pull. One of the ends stayed in, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. Careful with touching both sides at the same time with a screwdriver. There we go, and there we go. Nice. This one's also a 28mm. LED's facing down. Ooh, right. There we go. Nice. Yeah, much brighter, much cleaner. We'll do the reading lights. Put it down here. It's off. Just a little clip with a push. There we go. For these, there's 4 screws. This, it is a push down and twist out. That's cool, comes with the tool. Same way. Push down and twist. Nice. These are a little looser than stock. Easy to put in. back in. It's a little bit of a hook right here where this tucks nicely in. Make it nice and tidy. Let's see. So it doesn't work. Let's see if my accessory key has to be on for that part. Huh. No. Let's try to see what's going on with this. Huh. Interesting. Okay. All right, I'm going to check with a multimeter, see if power is getting to this. Make sure the tips don't touch, otherwise we'll pop a fuse. And let's see if I can push in there enough to get it to, oh, looks like it's kind of, I've got 12. So this looks a little loose, but I mean, yeah, it's a little loose, but I go like this and now it's touching firm on that and that, and still, I'll figure this out. Okay, I got a 9-volt battery here. Let's see if just, you know, these are new bulbs. I'm pretty sure they work. Let's just confirm that. Let's see. I'm just grabbing with what I have on me, make this a really quick test. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a flash. Yep. This is only 9-volt, but yeah, you can see it works just fine. Since that worked, maybe the bulbs that were already in there were perfectly fine. So I'm gonna do the same test to see if the switch system is wrong. Because the power is getting to the switch, and if that bulb works, let's see if this bulb works. Ah, and it works! Okay, so these switches are an issue, and before I get into too much craziness, I'm just gonna spray these down with some corrosion reducer. We'll see what that does, because it could just be corroded. I've got this Deoxic D5. It's supposed to remove corrosion, improves contact, and if it's just a little bit of corrosion in there, that might be all I need. But before I spray this whole thing down, just to make it a little cleaner, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the plastic. There we go. Just a little twist out. Just spray this down from all sides. Get in and exercise it. Make sure it gets all the way deep into the switch and remove any potential corrosion. Nice, I'll keep at this for a little bit. Okay, my timer for 10 minutes went off. I let it sit for a little bit, exercised a little bit. Now let's clean it up. All right, let's just wipe down that corrosion reducer, or corrosion eliminator, we'll hope. If that's the problem, seems like that could be the issue. It was high up on the ceiling, so maybe it was prone to moisture. Everything else looks really good though, so I'm not completely sure. This is all welded, but I'm sure I can find this piece as it is, maybe at a junkyard or something like that for probably not too much. Okay, before I put it all back together, let's plug it in. Let's see what happens. Ooh, let's see. Ah! Nice! Yeah! Oh, they're just corroded ends. Oh my gosh. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Wait. Woo! Oh, that's awesome! So awesome. Okay. I'm still geeking out about that. Okay, we'll put this one back in. Yeah, like this. Get the switches through. Nice. Hook that back up here. There we go. Okay, so a little bit of, let's see. That one's flicking a little bit. So I think what that means is I'm just gonna go ahead and redo this. I'm gonna put them on the end so there's a little bit more pressure because it could be kind of wiggling a little bit. It should be easy to fix. So what I'm gonna do is just simply twist this over to have it have more tension. Right here. No more jittering, so that was the issue. And I might, now that I've had experience with this and got the problem fixed, I might look for the exact right bulbs. There we go. Nice. Yep, that's awesome. Yeah, just to confirm how close these are, let's see if I can show it. Like this. This is the LED bulb, and it is about 9.1 millimeters. And this is the bulb that was in there. And this is 9.14 millimeters. So really, really close. And it does work. I may not bother fixing it or finding the right bulb, but if I find them online, I might get around to it, or I might look tonight, not sure exactly. So here's what it looks like in daylight. It's getting a little darker, but there we go. Oh, it looks like daylight, it's just very clean. Nice. And I'll do another clip at night. Nice, such a big improvement. Oh, these are so bright. Got these up here. Nice. This would be a lot better if I'm going out for a late session and I want it just to be bright so I can see. Yeah, nice. Well, if you like this video, if it's helpful, like, subscribe, and share, and throw some comments down below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks. Have a great day.